Hi, I'm Janish Talia. I'm an integrative gut health microbiome coach and a functional nutritionist. And today I'm here with you all to talk about an amazing topic and something that's really pressing at this point in time, which is about the foods that can help you combat air pollution. So, without really waiting longer, I think it's best to kind of dive into the amazing three foods that I'd love to share with you today and why they are really an option for you to have to really help your lungs feel happy. So number one I would like to share is flaxseed. The reason I believe flaxseed is a great option is because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which we all know is anti-inflammatory in nature and helps you to really combat inflammation. And when you're taking in toxins from such high levels of air pollution, inflammation is something that can definitely develop in the gut and systemic in the body. So it's a great option to have flaxseed in your diet. And also another benefit of flaxseed is the phytoestrogens that they carry. So the phytoestrogens are more like the antioxidant compounds, and they really help the body to kind of tough up some immunity and really do much better for the body in terms of being able to fight any kind of infections or fight any kind of resistant issues in the body. So I think that's an amazing way to bring both home together in one superfood right from your kitchen. Another top tip that I'd love to give you about flaxseed is it's best to be able to grind them and put them in an opaque container in the fridge, as they're very sensitive to heat and air and light, and you want to just be able to have them as fresh as possible. Also try to churn them up every 10 days or 7 days to just have them all fresh. My tip number two, and for the food that I really think is amazing, is spinach. As we know, green leafy vegetables have had a good name for the longest time, and we know they're great for digestion, they're great overall in terms of the iron content and other things that they carry. But also the amazing part of this is in the current context that we're talking about is the fact that they carry xanthine, they have things like lutein, they have chlorophyll in them, which are really important ingredients which really help. And in fact, spinach somewhere is also sometimes said that the compounds that it carries actually have a huge anti-cancer effect. And the amazing part about spinach is also the fact that it carries magnesium in it. Magnesium, as we know, is really a very good mineral in terms of how it can actually help your body to be able to strain away a lot of toxins from your system. And that's a great way to actually add in magnesium in your diet, which is also overall great for your gut health and overall good for sleep and overall good for recovery. So again, spinach becomes a good favorite to be able to have. And also it's a great time for you to get spinach and green leafy vegetables right now, so it's a great option to cook them up. And the best way to have them is to really steam them or blanch them or kind of juice them up and have them to really bring up the immunity that we need. And you can also add a little bit of flaxseed powder to it, so to make a deadly combination. Number three I would like to share is another favorite of mine, which is tomatoes. And tomatoes are, I think, an amazing option because of the beta carotene, the lutein, and the antioxidant values that they have. So lycopene, which is one of the main things that we have in a tomato, really has a good kind of a benefit in terms of clearing up the respiratory airways, and also kind of protects the cells from any kind of inflammation, again because they are high on antioxidant value. So just to wrap up, so these all three actually can be had as a juice all together, or can be had in your salads. Try to have mix it up sometimes, maybe in making a nice gravy or a vegetable smoothie bowl, and can be enjoyed in a really delicious manner. So I hope these foods will really bring you back to the baseline of how you can actually combat air pollution by really going right into your kitchen and picking up simple ingredients which can make such a huge difference in your system. And lastly, I'd really be excited to share that it's amazing to be on Health Shots, and thank you so much. I'd really like you all to share, like and subscribe to Health Shots for your daily dose of wellness. Thank you so much.